guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna do some job seeking and we're gonna try the API DeepSeek and maybe we're gonna make a website in an hour. Let's see what happens. So make sure to subscribe, like and comment if you want to see me making success today in 7 years. And yeah, I'll already show it on the screen then. Subscribe. Gonna here be for an hour or so, and then I'm gonna go outside with my dog, and maybe I will stream later, maybe not. We'll see what happens. So before we do that, okay, let me not leak that. Chat. Let's close. Can I close? Great. So that's definitely what we're gonna do. And let's turn off this one and let's do some job seeking. We'll start with HTML as a keyword. I'm gonna put it in English so you guys can read, right? Alright, so also let's do the date posted on the last 3 days. Because there are a lot of advertisements. You would always say they're fake because they have advertisements but they don't even respond. What's this all about? What's the shenanigans? I put it in English, why is it in Dutch again? Okay, great. No requirements. I want to see where this is on the Google Maps. Hey fam, just dropping in to leave you a like and say all as well. On our way now to see a van. Where's the van? And do you have a picture of the van? Oh no, give me the brand of the van so I can look it up. Oh no, absolutely not. I am not gonna go that way. That's way too far. Absolutely not. Five Astro van. 2005 Astro van. Is it discontinued? Oh, I see. But it looks good though. It's like between 5 and 30k. What amount are you going for? Let me see what it was. Fair Harbor. Oh, that's really close. Okay. What are the expectations? 2500. And what's the problem with the van? Why is the buyer selling it? And how are you gonna like get more money from it? Let me see what more jobs, because it's close what they have. Client dashboards, localization specialist, control full stack developer, analyst, backend engineer. There are a lot of things going on. So this is the only one. Look how low the salaries are in here. You're doing sales, right? You're doing sales. And I say like, hey man, we just pay you this amount. Software development, not bad. That was 5 years ago. And this is someone else. You're working somewhere else? Okay, I don't understand. Okay. It's gonna be CMR. Oh, and how it's called? Fair Harbor. I'm just gonna apply. I don't care. So let me see. Low code. This is very far. This is like 200 kilometers. What did they want? Okay. What do you mean this is what's this in Mendix? This is like a accountant's position. Do they know what they're talking about? Interesting UX. They don't know what they're talking about. Yeah, so how you gonna 2500 is not necessarily bad for a 2005 car. Well, it's kind of a truck, right? How much you gonna sell it for, Douglas? So I just specify what's wrong with it. He said it's been giving him some problems and wants to get rid of it. So I to go doing an all-round visual inspection and scan it with my scanner tool. Oh, there are like scanner tools that can indicate like the computer and says what's wrong with the car, or oh, I don't care about fit. This is too company culture for me, so I cannot do it. I have no patience for that. But here you need to be a solopreneur or something. That's not good for the last 3 days. Let me think about something else. Another keyword I can use. Not sure yet, fam. Too early to know. I have to find a problem, assess the cost and time, and see what shape it is in afterwards. Okay, but is it like close to your home, or is it like, where is it? I'm gonna do web. Again with the advertisements. Web analyst. Just gonna check real quick. That's not a web analyst, that's something different, guys. Good. Remote. This is not a front-end developer because if you have React Query Assistant, GraphQL, nextjs, these are our backends. Okay, what am I gonna do? 6 years. I'm never gonna apply this job. Just say it's senior. Okay. Also, 6 years. Let me count. When did reactjs released? 13. So 6 years. Okay, so it's okay. It's not like anything crazy, but 18 plus. Okay, reactjs 18 plus release date. 2022, the one 6 years experience, so it's not reasonable. Crazy. Okay. Full stack, I'm not full stack. Job market looks depressing this week. Not bad. It's far though. Just gonna put it here, and I'm just gonna say RV Web Solutions. So that's the second one. I wanna at least find like 4, 5. Free University of Amsterdam. Let me see. What? Why do I need to know this? You're asking for a web developer with backends. Just say full stack, bro. Scanner tool will give you the code to indicate certain problems. Not all problems can be deflected with the scanner though. Okay, so it's kind of a risk. Well, you need to go for like maybe a test drive. Are you allowed to do that, or you have to buy it on the spot? How does this process go? flexible hours and the option to work partly from home. How long do you need to experience? It doesn't say anything. You have to do everything. Okay. I don't like to do everything. This is why you cannot rely on jobs, right? What is this all about? I usually test drive the car with the seller sitting passenger, or they just trust me. I leave the car with them while I go on a quick test drive for 5 minutes. Yeah, like you kind of need to test, right? Because you never know. Doesn't look good, the job market this week. Looks advertisement, 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 advertisement. Oh, this is the first non-advertisement. Nah. Internship. Passionate journalism student. I have no idea what they're saying. Okay, that doesn't look good. Oh, here, we have a new one. Good luck. Good luck with that. Did you see the message starting with 20-minute drive? Or are you on top chat? Oh my god, okay. Where do I find this again? Live chat. Okay. Let me see. 20-minute drive from my area. And yes, all cars are made. Yeah, I did not. That just didn't exist before. 3-minute drive from my area. Yes, all cars are made. After the year 94, I have an acre computer which located on the driver's side, sustaining underneath the steering wheel. Oh yeah. Scanner tool. Okay. Yeah, I understand. So what's this all about? Front-end engineer. You're both fluent in JavaScript, Angular Vue. Angular is backend, Vue is frontend. You have a master's degree. I don't have a master's degree for a front-end engineer. How much are you paying though? As a senior front-end engineer, you could just have said senior, right? And also, this is not font-based. This is not front end. Like you start with cloud-based transformation. This is not front end at all. Crazy, these people nowadays. Okay, let me try another keyword. Okay, the keyword is gonna be no code. Last 7 days. Okay, doesn't exist. Let's do something else. Then we're gonna do content. No, I should do editor. Content editor. Looking for multiple candidates. Possibly freelance. Okay, I see. Let's see. What are you asking? I do not have that. Contact music. Who has a master's degree? I do not. I have a bachelor's degree, but definitely not master. I think master for front end, that is a huge waste of time. Then you will be doing 5 years of studying, and then you need to start working on front end. That's absolutely insane. Absolutely unreasonable. What is this all about? Oh, cobot. Okay. Experience working in a... Guys, this is not front end. MongoDB is databases, Elastic is databases, Cloud is something else. AWS is something else. These people just write something. I don't know, man. They don't know what they're talking about. Okay. I'm just gonna do something else. Let's do... what would be a good keyword? Yeah, we already did HTML content. We already did web as well. Yeah. Oh, I haven't seen this one. What's this all about? Absolutely not. I'm not gonna make an account. No. Defense monkeys. Let's see what it is. This is the last application because it seems that the job market is shit this week. So, how's it called? Defense monkeys. Defense monkeys. So this is something I can do. I think let's go into what they have. 30 plus days ago though. Let's check the website. You need to make an account to apply. And yeah, I'm out. Like it's 2025, right? Like if you need to make a separate account and this kind of stuff, you're not doing things right. Also, it's 30 days ago, and I think I set a filter, and the filter is gone. Okay. At least have a bachelor's degree. You know, I do not understand this, because these things, aside from HTML, you don't learn this at school. I did not learn this at school. CMS, never heard of it in school. I already applied to this one, did not get a reply back. So, okay, I'm just gonna check this one, and I'm going to check another one, and then. So you need WordPress, nextjs, and JavaScript. Working from home. Permission to work. Netherlands. Work location physical. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely insane. It's absolutely insane, Douglas. Like if you look at this, you get discouraged, right? You can be like, oh, there are no jobs. Right? There are jobs, but you have to find them. Right, so posted by. I have to think about how I just get the newest one. So if I do HTML, I just want to be like last 24 hours. New. Here. Whoa. PHP. This is not new. Just gonna check it. Working condition, work from home. Yeah, what did they mean? Did they mean like hybrid? Yeah, hybrid. Okay, absolutely not. Okay, I think this is gonna be the last page because this looks very depressing. Okay. And then we're gonna do some real coding, like how real people do it. Look at this. I'm just gonna do it last 24 hours. This is what they recommend to me. Recommendations is not that good. It's all advertisements nowadays. It's just so shit. CMS. Just say CMS, bro. Online team. Why is I put it in English? Why isn't it in Dutch? What is going on? I'm pretty sure I did that. I cannot see the stream back. Let me redo this. Yeah, I'm calling quits on the job seeking though. Okay. Let me save this and then it might take a while. That's okay, because we're not stopping, right? Okay. So what we're gonna do now is we had an issue yesterday. Let me see if it's here. And the issue was, let me start up the so you had an issue here. The issue is this one. Oh, you cannot see it here though. Let me zoom out. Okay. Great. This is the issue. Okay, it's working. But we have an issue here. This is the issue here. You see? So it's not actually stretching like that. And the reason why that is because the image is not in a background. Also, where did the text go? I think this will bring the text back, maybe. Select the text. Completely went blank. If we remove this one, what will happen? Okay, so the text completely disappeared. Just whoop, gone. Okay, so let me see what this is all about, and then I have to bring it back, which I cannot. Okay, no worries. Okay, we're gonna do it the other way. So we have to go into the assets and we have to import all the images. And we're gonna do that in hero image because we have them here. Like that. Boom. Okay. So we need like the import bg URL. I think you do it like this. Let me check the documentation. So when here, back on image, something like that. Okay. I was close though. bg URL. Okay. Let's do that. bg URL. And then we have semi-colons. What we're gonna do is use that one. Let me see if that works though. Desert. So let's see if it works. Okay, that doesn't. Okay. So it actually wants me to do this, maybe? Let me ask the API because I don't want to. That's not what I copied. I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, it does. I see. But it does it 4 times. I don't think that's gonna work because I tried that before. Oh, it does. Oh, that's very interesting. I did this yesterday. It didn't work. Check. Okay. Oh. Okay. Well, that's fixed then. Okay, so I do want to have a max width though. I do want to have max width of 920 pixels. Let me see if that fucks things up. Great. Well, that makes me very happy. All right. That's how I like it. Let's look at mobile again. No complaints there. Let's fix the navigation though. We had some issues with the navigation. This is my fault. So I need to find a mobile navigation. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. I'm gonna close this one like that. So the problem here is on this is hidden, but this needs to be oh wait. No, this is just the button. Absolutely top, left 0. Top full, left 0. Top 0. Okay, no, I should not do top 0. Top 20% or something? I don't know. Minus 20%. Okay. Okay, let's get the thing across the screen, and then we're gonna manually adjust and see what's going on. Also, it needs to have a set index of 10. So let's do that. Okay, now we have that. Great. And I said it's 10. I want to say top 0. 10. Top 0. Nah, it should be 10. Great. And let's remove the... We have like an hello world, something going on. Which is this one. The element is hello world. Good, bad. Okay, logo about me. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. So this one is absolutely BS. Okay, so that's not the same hello world. Let me check. I think it is in the hero, somewhere on the top. Maybe? No. Not here. Where does it come? Where is it coming from? Okay, let me just check. Okay, your app name. No. Okay, so it is coming from here though. How about this? Okay. It's not showing where it's coming from, so I need to check. Okay, so it's... Where's it coming from, guys? Navigation? No. Hero. Okay. Okay. Then I need to check here. How do I do this again? Let me see how I do that. Oh, no references. No. Search. Control Shift F. Hello. Okay. Roll. So it's coming from nowhere? That's what it's saying? Let me restart it, because... Okay, it's still there. Am I hallucinating or something? Maybe like this? Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. What happened was I didn't save the app.js. Okay, so let me see it again. Okay, there's a little bit of a gap. So let's go here. Just want to give it a color, just to make sure, stone 200, just to make sure that things are okay. No, they're not, so what I'm it like this. And it has like a top something, right? So let me see what the top is. Top. So it's like 8.5. Something like that. Okay. I'm okay with this. If it works, right? Not gonna be too hard about it. Alright. Hello, about me. Yeah. Okay, it seems like if I go to these pages that the hero is always present. That should not be the case. Okay. So we go here, not that one. That one. And it seems like that like the navigation should also be, but the hello, the hero should be so let me think about this. Okay. So we're gonna copy this. Let's see if it works. Here, and we're gonna do element like that. Let's see if this works. Okay. So I clicked on the logo, and the hero disappears. That should not be the case. About me, service. Because I did it wrong. I should do it like this. So if I go here, to logo, okay, not there. About me, service, back. Okay, so it should be here. It's not here. Maybe because I have it double. Okay, do something like this. Click here. About me. Service. Log back. Okay. Great. Okay, so we have an issue with the hero, and the reason why that is because this one, and that breaks everything because let's put that down one. Oh, it's a mistake. Okay, let's think about it. This should work though. Yeah. There's a closing tag. Oh, why did this one appear? Okay. Let me see. Okay. Why does it not respond? I have to think about that. It's saying it's not possible. That means that I have to delete this one, or say max width is 920 pixels, because this container has a max width of 14 something. We can do something like this. Let's go to about me. Yeah. Okay. Great. That works. So that is it for this one. Let's see. It works. Right. So I'm gonna try and see how a video works on this slider. So let's go here. Let's go to videos. We're gonna do 4 videos. Let's do this one. Oh, they're really high quality, but that doesn't really matter. That's okay. It can be high quality. I'm not looking for. Okay, right amount. Great. That's the second one. To the third one. Great. And let's also do the fourth one. It's gonna be this one. Okay. Then let's go there. And let's rename them. So this is winter in winter Japan. I don't know if it's Japan or something like that. Spring Creek. August flower. And Turtle Sea. Alright. Let's see if the videos work. Why am I doing this? I will tell you guys. The reason why I'm doing this is because then I have a standard template, and if a customer comes in like I want this and that, then I can immediately just flick it out within an hour or so. It's gonna be like an all kind of inclusive template that works, right? So I don't have to go in and struggle. Alright, so these are this view. I'm gonna duplicate that. Is that possible? Apparently not. Yeah. Hero, video, yes. Great. And let's do that. So August. Oh, I should do multiple at the time. So I should do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. August flower. And then let's go to here, which is August flower. What file types are these? MP4s. Okay, so MP4. We're gonna do the same for this one. So for the C1, this one, this one. Instead of C, we're gonna say Spring Creek. called multiple cursor if you've never seen it. I don't think it just exists on Windows, but let me see actually. Maybe it's useful to know. Multi cursor Windows 10. Maybe it exists. Okay, so there's no native solution. Yeah, so you need software for it. So there's no native solution. Oh, maybe it is. Oh yeah, it does not enable users to have multiple cursors at once. Okay, so with the right software it is. Okay, now I know. Learn something. Okay, so we have the mountain here. So we're gonna do something like that. Click here, and click mountain. So we're gonna say turtle C. And actually, let's adjust the assets. So spring, creek, pond, MP4. Let's actually do these ones as well. MP4. So let's adjust this one as well. So that is turtle C, JPEG, MP4. And this is winter plus Japan. This one, volcano. Winter, Japan. Okay, and let's do this one as well. And we call this hero videos. Great, and we're gonna export, we're gonna import that here. So videos from hero video. Let me see if I spell that correctly. Hero video, I should call it. Okay, great. Hero video, comma, hero video. Great, so that's imported. Now we're gonna go back here. We're gonna say hero video. And instead of that, hero video map, what we're gonna do is video, so every image where it's used, right? So image where it's used, that is here. We're gonna say video. And let's see. It's gonna load though. Okay. Let it load for a while. Let me see if I made any mistakes. Your video map video. Oh, it's a background. I set the background image as a video URL. I don't think that's gonna work as a background. So let me check on that. Let me actually ask ChatGPT for that. Is it possible to use MP4 as a background image? Yes, you can. Okay. So that's not possible to do this like this. What actually should happen is we have to insert a video tag. I am mapping over and using this regular as a for the video links. Alright, let's see what it does. Yeah, you think about it. I do not need an index. Why are you using index? Okay, so let's try this one. Instead of this one. What did you do? Oh yeah, I know what you do. We already have a key, which is video ID. And I'm gonna do video.url. Curious what will happen. Not displaying. Why not? I think I know why. Okay, there's nothing playing on the screen currently, so it has issues with this. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna... Oh, what am I doing here? I'm not... Let me read it. Video autoplay loop. Source, video source. Okay. Yes, that is how it should look. Okay. Let me check it again. Video.url. Yeah, it should look the way it looks. Okay. Let's see what the AI says. So, what I'm gonna do is say it's not what I did. Copy. It's not displaying on your... I'm curious what it will do. Show me the money. Interesting. So if I don't apply any style, reject. Cancel. Terminate. Great. So if I don't apply any style, okay, then nothing's gonna happen. I'm curious if this will work on mobile. Oh, wow. Okay. So that does. Very interesting. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a component called hero hero images JSX. Oh, I'm gonna do extras. I'm gonna do new map, new folder, extra. Okay. I'm gonna do hero image JSX. So this is an extra component, right? I copied that somewhere. Yeah, should do this one and then this one. Great. And instead of hero video, I do image everywhere. Image. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test this one. So here, image, by going into add the JSX, and I'm gonna say hero image. It doesn't recognize it yet, but it will. The only thing I need to change is to say hero image, and here as well, hero image. Okay, let me go back to the app.js again. Oh, one parent element. Okay, I'm gonna need to think about this. Okay, so it doesn't really matter for now. I just want to test for test purposes. We can always do that other one later. So let's see. Hero component. Yes, that does exist. Okay. Components, extra, hero image. No, that does not exist, so we have to go here and like that. Okay, great. Now then, problem is that this one is not displaying well, so we're gonna display it after, just to see if it works. Okay, great. Okay, so it worked. Both work. Great. So that is it for that. very happy with the result. Next up, let me think. Do we want to make it complicated right now? I'm not sure. Looks great. So the next thing what we actually need to work on is the feature section, right? So our surface, right? Do I want to though? Because I have no idea how I'm gonna approach that at the moment. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to all those things that I need to know. Let's go here, all those websites, right? Okay, so I have a couple of websites. This is like a blog or something. Yeah, it's like a root, and this root goes into. Okay, no, I know what we need to work on. We need to work on a footer. So that website was laggy. Okay. So we need to think about the kind of footer that what we want. There are a lot of kinds of footers, right? You see this here. So interesting. Very interesting. Let me fix the music. Actually, I'm tired of this music. No, I'm kind of not, but I think we're gonna do the broad one. I think this one is a good example. I'm gonna do something like this because I'm not gonna create that on my own. Um, okay, let's do some coloring. This is gonna be very ugly, but it's efficient. So um, fill. Yeah. Okay. Fill. 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 What I'm gonna do is we're gonna drag this one, paste. We're gonna do something like this. Right. Make it nice. Something like that. Right. And the social icons, well, instead of the, you should say logo, we're gonna make that white. Don't see it white. White. We're gonna make it bigger. See, something like that. Let me drag it. Something like that. Alright, footer. Footer 2. Um, so the awareness of DeepSeek, because I'm using DeepSeek API, is not gonna work out. So I'm gonna reopen that, and we're gonna use Gemini for that. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say open with Codium. And then we're gonna say like that. I'm gonna say footer 2, create a new component, footer.jsx in the component folder, create it like the image, but instead, but invert the colors. Invert the colors. Um, im import this component in app.jsx. Good luck, buddy. Flex, justify content. Okay, so what I should have done is said to use Tailwind. Forgot about that. Okay. Um, so then let me import that here. Footer. Great. Just want to see how it looks. Now because we have that, use okay, let's see what happens. Too many requests. Okay, that's not because of me, but because of the sudden task. Yeah, it's too busy. Okay, no worries. We don't need to do that here. We can open up with another one, which is this one. So open the code. Mm, oh, it wants to improve it though. Sure. But first, let me actually start that. Run dev. Great. It's very cheap. I like it. Okay, let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna do some adjustments. So let's justify between. Okay. Pixel 5. I'm just gonna read. So PY5, what does that mean? Okay. Now I just want to have padding of 120 pixels. Great. And then I don't know, I have a max width. Great. So I also want to have a gap. Let's see what it does. Great. The gap could be a bit bigger though. Let's do gap 10. Great. So let's start with the logo. Logo is in H2, but can be actually H1. Does not apply anything. So let's go to navigation and let's copy the logo stuff going around this one. So let's go back to footer. Footer. Let's see how it looks. Great, this is the same size. Actually want to have it bigger, like 6XL or something. Great. Let's actually do a gap of 4. That doesn't matter. Um, padding Y of 6. The reason why it's struggling is because it made it all P's, but these ones should also be lists. This one has no use. Padding bottom 6. Okay. I'm just gonna check out what the widths are and those kinds of stuff. Why enclosing? Okay. First of all, this is a lot of space, right? Okay, let's check the real website. And these are a bit bigger. They're like 2XL. So for every one of them, so I'm gonna go here, H3, an H3, and I think I need one more H3. All right, I'm gonna do a class name. We're gonna do text 2XL, padding bottom of 6, font bold, text gray 600. Great. And actually, instead of doing BRs, what I can do, I can say class name flex wrap, or wrap, I think, flex wrap. That's not gonna work. Never mind this. It's not a big issue. Moving worthy. Maybe I should do item center, maybe? See? No, place center. Text center, maybe? Let's see. That's yeah, but then I should also do this text center. For now, that's not a big deal. Okay, so there are some spaces between those. Okay, great. Sure. I don't know, something like that. Okay. Great. Why does these have spacing but these do not? Let me check why that is. This is about? Doesn't matter. Let's check what is going on here. These ones. Gray. And let's check these ones. Ah, okay, I think I know. The reason why is because these are links and the other ones are paddings. So what we should do is doesn't fix the issue though. And it still has pointer. Okay, doesn't fix the issue. Why not? Because of the allies. Okay, probably. Let's remove the allies. Okay. What am I doing, bro? How about this? It's not the same. Still not the same. Why? They look the same though. Check. No underline. Can go. Actually, this entire thing can go. That's so strange. They are the exact same. Right? Let me try again. PP. Okay. H1. This is an H3. That's okay. Then there's a div wrapped around, which is space I2. Okay. Maybe this is the issue. See? Okay. Sure. Let's look at the real website. Sure. It's time to make it responsive. Okay. I'm not gonna do that manually, so make it responsive. Save. Great. So what I want to do is like I want a text center. I want to do text center, and on small devices, no, medium devices, I want to do text start. Let's see what happens. Okay, the boundary of when it should go responsive is a bit let's leave it for now. Great. I think this totally makes sense. So we have a footer, we have a resource link, and then when we go to About Me, the footer is present, and this one, great, okay. Let's go here, let's go to blog, About Me, let's go to logo. Yeah, alright, that's pretty responsive, right? So that's not bad. I'm happy with that. Now we're gonna do something very complicated. So I want to use internationalization. Okay, so we're gonna go to internationalization, right? React, because I am not gonna do that manually. Samples. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Something with example. Okay, doesn't exist. Getting started. React local. Let me do localization first. Let me see what this is all about. Let's do nextjs. Nextjs localization. Not bad. Not what I'm looking for though. Uh, crazy Nowadays, searching is just a headache. I'm actually saying I want a demo. It's absolutely insane. Okay. Okay, I understand all these shenanigans. That's not a problem. I'm just looking for a visual, man. I'm just looking for a nice visual. Translate option. 10 minutes already. And to just look for a normal, nice drop down menu. Finally, this looks promising. Start with the docs. Using app router. Aha, finally. Let's see the demo. Great. that took that took forever. Alright, drop down. Let me see if I can go to React icons, I think. That's how it's called, right? Language. Language. Let me see if it exists. This one. Okay. What's the difference? Outline. It's gonna use this one. Okay. How do I install this? Okay. Let's do that. No. Let's try it again. Great. We go to navigation. And in the navigation, I think before we get started, it also has to be like dynamic. It always has to exist. So let's check our app on how to do that. Okay. So it actually needs to be in two places. No worries. Okay. Let me see what happens. Okay, so it always exists. So what we should do is let me see. 3G button toggle. Okay, something like that. Okay. Okay. Great. I want to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm not sure how to do that. Let's check the docs. So can I edit? go to home. Can I just edit things? Okay. So what I should do maybe, I'm not sure if this works, but I will try. Text, Excel, just doing something. Okay, that works, actually. Great. Let's do it to Excel, actually. And now we have to make the gap like 2, maybe. How about we make the gap 3? Okay. So I want to create a hover effect just like the navigation. So we're ready here. So let's see how they hover, how I did it. Okay. Let's go. All right. Great. Let's do the same class names here. Great. How it looks. The hover effect can be bigger, right? Mm, let me think about that. For now, it doesn't matter. We just okay. Let's do the other one as well. So we are here now in the button. This one. Great. All right. And what I want to do is that I want to create like a hover menu. So let's do that. I had this image. Um, to have a hover menu for the icon high language. The drop down should contain two two text items, which are English and German. Right? Let me see what it can do. Okay. Okay, it says it's working. Why is it not working? Because uh it just added a new one. Mm, okay. I see. I want to do it absolute inset 0, right 0, top 0. also want to have an index of 20. Actually, should put this one. It's not bad, but I don't want that here necessarily. So, okay, let me check. Cursor pointer over. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What if I delete this? What happens? I deleted one too much. Okay. Why are you complaining? One, two, three, four. 1. Okay. What happens? Nothing. And let's put that instead of this one. Let's put that here. Okay, that's gone. That's because of the absolutes I did. So let's remove the absolutes. Okay. So when I click on it, nothing happens. Maybe I deleted too much. No, I did not. Okay. Maybe. Maybe it is opening, but I cannot see it. So let's check that out. So if I click on it, no, nothing happens. You can the higher language icon is already present. Higher icon is present. Okay, it has not awareness, so let's see. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay. Not bad. Dutch. Alright. So I have to think about the size of the width. Maybe I should do like this and text center. Let's see how it looks. This one is for the navigation, so something like that. Sorry about that. Okay, good. Works works perfect, like I wanted to. So we're gonna copy these ones as well on the desktop. So we're gonna go here, gonna do dirty and min dirty, and right is gonna be 10%. Let's see how it looks on desktop. Let's do right 0%. Let's see how it looks. Great. No, it actually has to look like 7% or something. Okay, I want to see what happens if I do this. Okay. Okay, so it's actually moving. Um, for the desktop, the menu, the drop down menu should always be directly below the icon. High language. Okay. 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 Um, that creates an issue, but okay. Okay. That one works, but this one doesn't work. The okay. Okay, that works. Great. Um, let's do this one, and I want to have a min. Uh, no, like it can be this one, but I want to have a min width of 30. Okay. and I want the text to center, so let's do that. Let's go here, text center. Yeah, let's do this one. Awesome. Let's go to the mobile version. It's not centered though, I think. Let me just double check that. Oh, it is. Yeah. Alright. So it does. I have a button called Hi Language for the mobile and desktop version in navigation. The default is English and the other one is Dutch. I want to apply internationalization for this. Also make routes available. For example, is it Dutch? Then the route should be the else it should have the route else. The default is English, but default is English. Okay, so this is going to be exciting. It's gonna cause a lot of things going on. Great. Okay. Looks good so far. Yeah. Great. Nice one. Great. Nice one. Okay. You modify this. Sure. Excited for this one? Sure. Okay. Well, I think I'm already running, so let me see. Okay. 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 Cancel. Terminate. No, I'm gonna do. Also, translate. Translate. Footer. And hero. JSX. Um, it's going well, guys. It's going well. And it's cheap. This is way cheaper than the 15 I paid. Man, if I have to do this manually, oh my god. This is why, like, one of my clients, they told me like, hey, you should can you make like a little option that just translate the page? You know what I told them? I can do that, but they have to pay because I have to rebuild that entire application from scratch. It's like, oh no, never mind, right? Like, I don't mind. I just let the AI do it, right? But never mind. Look how many tokens it's using. Okay, let me see if it works. Okay, so there are some issues though. Okay, so we have some issues. There seems to be an issue with the routing. Every time when I change the language, it adds /d or /n as a stack. Alright, let me change the music a bit. Oh, look how late it is. It's already let me change the music. Don't get me wrong, I love the music, but is it playing? It seems so. Again. Okay. Great. Let me redo that again. Okay. Okay, so it's broken now. So why would it be broken? Let me go to seems to be broken now. What I want is if language is in English, then there should then it should be the default. However, if the language is German, then it should add +de. Okay. I don't think that's the issue though. I'm gonna fix this and then I'm gonna go. You see? Very interesting. So the issue here is that it does change it, right, to this root. Okay. So there will be another issue. mm, even a routing issue when the language is DE, the other routes that are available should stack. For example, service. If it is just the default language, it should be service. Okay. There must be a better way for that, but yeah, it's gonna it's gonna be like that. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So if I go to English, okay, no worries. Let's go to DE and let's go to about me. No. Not exactly. It works though. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna leave it at that. So let's do navigation and we're gonna put on top um, routing issue DE. Well, let's just terminate. Okay, so I wanna go here and I wanna say almost there when I click on about me when I am on goes to about me but not DE about me. Almost there. I don't think this is the best solution though. Is what it does, it adds to every like, hey, so this is not the solution, but it is a solution, a very ambiguous and an expensive one. Very expensive solution. Very expensive solution. Very expensive solution. Okay. Great. Think this is the one. Let's see. Okay. Sure. Change it. Okay. Great. So those things work. Not too shabby. That's good. I'm gonna go. We've been along for a long time. It seems that we don't have many things done, but because we only did like the slider and the video slider, the footer, and a translator, but it's a huge deal. This is how real web design is. It's normal. But once I build this, then I don't need to rebuild every website from scratch anymore. So that's why I'm taking careful and sophisticated time for this. Like the styles we can always change, right? So that is not a huge issue here. And also we have another language to concern, right? Which is German at the moment, but I am not happy about this like on click that every on click says like, oh, you should go to this slash, right? It's a headache. There must be like a better way for that. Like you should just add something like this, right? But so it's not an easy read, but is the website fast? Yes. Also when I load it for the first time. So let's go to a new browser. Okay, not bad. And obviously the videos are loaded and videos are heavy, but um, again, you most of the time we're gonna use a low quality video. This is just for reference sake, so but it's interesting. Oh, that's because of this one. There's like no scroll bar. Okay, I like it. I especially like the turtle. This is my favorite. Alright, that is it for me. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a success today or in 7 years, and I will see you until the next one.